The Fujifilm X100v is simply one of the most popular cameras out there right now. This camera is almost 4 years old, but it's still talked about so much and has become so legendary that you can barely find it, and when you do find it, you're gonna be paying almost double from what the retail price was. After seeing this camera pop up over and over for so long, I had to know what makes this camera so special. After finally getting one and using it for almost a year now, I very much understand that the hype is very real. And here's why. This camera is extremely compact and lightweight, meaning that you can take it anywhere with no hassle at all. In this tiny setup, you get built-in NDs, a built-in flash, and a very versatile fixed 35mm lens. You're literally looking at everything you need for so many different experiences. It's perfect for travelers or street photographers, or even using it for portraits, which I've done. I bring this camera with me all the time. It's just become a part of my aesthetic at this point. Fujifilm cameras can do something so unique, and that's being able to replicate that classic film look straight out of camera. Now, this is a digital camera, but we use something called film recipes, which is like a cheat code, which allows you to digitally replicate real film stocks. It's like editing first and then going out and shooting. The colors that you can get out of this camera are truly stunning. So what do you get with a tiny camera that has the power to create incredible colors that look just like film? You get an exciting user experience. Yes, as a pro photographer, I have cameras obviously to create the work that I'm passionate about, but this camera takes care of all those moments in between. When I look back on the photos that I've taken with this camera, I see my friends, I see my family, views that inspire me, and I just simply see what's important to me. Being able to pull out a camera this small that can create beautiful film-like images makes me that more excited for the moments I'm already living. And that's why this camera is so special.